Want to know how to uninstall the Microsoft 365 Copilot from your Android? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your phone with your Copilot or Microsoft 365 right here. Now right here you should be seeing this trash can icon. You can just simply select that, and now once you have selected this trash can icon, here you should be seeing two options, that is cancel and uninstall. You can just simply select uninstall in order to uninstall that. So if that's not the case for you, you can just simply head towards the Play Store first. Just simply head towards it, and on the bottom you should be seeing search bar. Just simply select that, and let's just simply type in Microsoft 365. So once you have selected Microsoft 365, here you can see this right here. You can just simply open it up, and here you should be seeing uninstall. Select uninstall again in order to confirm it, and it should be uninstalled successfully. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.